today, new bahay. Tara! This house is located in Sabana Green Plains, Angeles City with 120 square meter lot area and 200 square meter on floor area. Meron tayong 1-car garage. Tapos may maluwang pa yung space here. Papunta siya sa dirty kitchen. Pasok tayo sa loob. So here is your living area. And dito naman yung dining area nyo. Dito nilagay yung dining area. And anyway, may ano na siya, may AC na. 3 horsepower po yan. Tapos, here is your kitchen. Ganda ng kitchen. Modular cabinet. Tapos, kasama na to sa presyo niya na 12.9 million pesos. Tapos ito kasama na siya. Is and here. Okay. Ganda ng mga cabinet niya. Soft close lahat. Dami mong storage, mga groceries. Then we have a maid's room here. Ito. Pwede kong gawing maid's room or storage room. Okay, it's up to you kung ano pwede nyo. And meron tayo powder room here na pwede na rin shower. And may upuan siya for elderly. Akit tayo sa taas. Dito sa taas, we have 3 bedrooms. Try natin ito. First bedroom. Meron din siyang closet. Sliding. Then, meron siyang common toilet for bedroom 1 and bedroom with common toilet. Here is the bedroom number 2. Same lang po ng bedroom number 1. And ito ang ating master bedroom. Sobrang